Ever wondered how to navigate your first travel to Japan without feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Japan, a land of fascinating contrasts where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with ultra-modern technology, is a coveted destination for travelers worldwide. But for first-timers, the sheer variety of services and transport options, coupled with bustling stations and language barriers, can make the experience seem a tad intimidating. That's why we're here to guide you, starting from your arrival at Narita Airport, one of the most common entry points for new visitors. First things first, let's handle that cumbersome luggage. Narita Airport offers an incredibly helpful luggage delivery service. Just head over to one of the luggage delivery counters you'll find conveniently placed around the airport. These services are not only reliable, but also offer excellent value for money. They can ship your bags anywhere in the country, be it hotels, hostels, airports, or private residences. All you need to do is provide the address where you want your luggage delivered, and voila, you're free to explore, unencumbered by heavy bags. Just remember, if you're staying at a smaller establishment, it might be a good idea to inform them in advance. Next up, let's get you connected. Upon landing in a foreign country, figuring out internet access is usually high on everyone's list. In Japan, you have two popular options: a domestic data SIM card for your smartphone or a portable Wi-Fi router, perfect for group travelers. The best part? You can find these right at the airport itself. Numerous shops offer mobile data options, and some even allow you to book online in advance, ready for pickup at the terminal upon arrival. With your luggage taken care of and your internet connectivity sorted, you're set to start your journey in Japan. Now that you are ready to explore, let's dive into how to smoothly navigate Japan's transportation system. One of the first things to do is to get yourself an IC card. This handy little card is your ticket to easy travel throughout Japan. It's not just a travel card though. It's a versatile tool that can be used for most modes of transport in virtually all major metropolitan areas. Train rides, bus journeys, you name it, the IC card has got you covered. And that's not all. IC cards can also be used as a cashless payment option at a large number of shops and restaurants nationwide, especially those in and around train stations. So, whether you're grabbing a quick bite at a local eatery or picking up souvenirs for your loved ones back home, just swipe your IC card and you're good to go. Now you might be wondering, where can I get one of these magic cards? Well, you're in luck. IC cards can be purchased easily from the ticket machines at Narita Airport train station. And don't worry about the language barrier. The machines come with instructions in English. But wait, there's more. If you're planning on traveling extensively throughout Japan, you might want to consider getting a rail pass. These passes can make your travel significantly cheaper and more convenient, especially if you're a foreign visitor. Think of it as your all-access pass to Japan's extensive train network. For those who've purchased a rail pass before coming to Japan, you can pick up your pass at the JR East Travel Service centers located in the basements of Terminal 1 or Terminal 2 of Narita Airport. So don't forget to pick up your pass before you head out to explore the land of the rising sun. With an IC card in your pocket and a rail pass at the ready, you're all set to explore Japan like a pro. Now that you're in the heart of Tokyo, where should you stay? Tokyo, a diverse metropolis, offers a wide array of accommodations to suit every traveler. From the usual suspects like luxury hotels to budget-friendly hostels, you're spoiled for choice. But why not try something uniquely Tokyo? Capsule hotels, for instance, provide a fascinating space-saving solution for travelers. These personal pods offer all the essentials in a compact space, a testament to Japanese ingenuity. If you're after an authentic Japanese experience, consider staying at a traditional ryokan. These inns offer a glimpse into Japan's past with tatami mat rooms, futon beds, and often communal hot springs. For the tech-savvy among you, internet cafes offer more than just a place to check your emails. Many have private cubicles where you can catch a few hours of sleep, complete with showers and free drinks. No matter your budget or preferred style, Tokyo has an accommodation option that's perfect for you. Next up, let's talk about buying Shinkansen tickets using the SmartX app. Start by purchasing an IC card, then download and install the SmartX app. After registering your credit card with the app, connect your IC card by inputting the ID number. Now you're ready to book your Shinkansen, Don't forget, you can choose between reserved, non-reserved seats, or even the more luxurious green car. Just use the associated IC card to tap through the ticket gates at any Shinkansen station. With SmartX, getting your Shinkansen tickets is as easy as a few taps on your phone. Tokyo Station can be overwhelming, but we're here to help you navigate it with ease. When you arrive, follow the signs for the Tokaido Shinkansen and step through the ticket gates. If you're still in need of a ticket, you can conveniently purchase one at a machine or the counter before entering the Shinkansen gates. Look out for the clear and helpful signage that will guide you to the correct platform and car number. With these tips, you'll be navigating Tokyo Station like a pro in no time.